Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Binance to crypto.com. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Binance app and then click on this wallet option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to select the account where you have the XRP. So I have XRP in my support account, so I will just click on support. And from there you have to select XRP. You will find XRP under balances section. You can also try to take help of this search icon. Just click on this search icon and search for XRP. Once you find it, you need to tap on it, and then on the screen you have to click on this withdrawal button at the bottom of your screen. Then from this pop-up window, tap on this send via crypto network option, and on the screen you have to paste the wallet address from your crypto.com app. So open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. Then on the screen click on crypto wallet, and from this list of cryptocurrencies select XRP or Ripple. Then you have to simply click on this transfer button, and from this pop-up window click on deposit, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button right next to your wallet address, and then go back to their Binance app and paste the wallet address in this area. And once you paste the wallet address, it will automatically select the network. But if it doesn't select the network, you can also try to select network by manually. Just click on this network tab and select the same network that you have selected in your crypto.com app. And you also have to paste the tag in your Binance app. So you also have to copy this XRP destination tag. Click on this copy button and then paste the tag in this box. And lastly, you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then click on this withdrawal button at the bottom of your screen. And once you follow these steps, your XRP will be transferred from your Binance to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.